Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Listen to this video when you are ready to fall asleep. The purpose of this video is to help you drift off into a relaxing, healing, incredible, wonderful sleep. Maybe you have been struggling with going to sleep, a little bit of insomnia or negative thoughts or racing thoughts, not letting you sleep. So I'm here to help you. That's why I've decided to create this series of videos of hypnotic sleep talk downs. Right. All I want you to do is just relax. Make sure you do not wear tight clothing whilst you sleep. And make yourself comfortable. Remove your phone and just listen to this. If you are listening to this online, you could always download this. Now, what I want you to do is just take a deep breath in and let's just get ready to relax now. That's right. Take a deep inhale in and exhale out. And get ready to relax. This is not a meditation. You do not need to do anything. All you have to do is listen to this relaxing sleep story. This sleep story is called The Farmer and the Horse. Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled in the mountains, there lived a humble farmer. He was known for his wisdom and kind demeanor. No matter what life brought his way, he was always calm, relaxed, and tranquil now. One day his only horse, which he used for plowing his field and transporting his goods, ran away. The villagers came to him to console him. "What bad luck," they exclaimed. The farmer simply replied, "Maybe, maybe not." A few days later, the horse returned, bringing with him a group of wild horses. A group of wild horses. Now the farmer had several horses. The villagers came to celebrate his good fortune. "How wonderful," they said. The farmer replied, "Maybe, maybe not." The farmer's son began to train the wild horses. One day he was thrown off a horse and broke his leg. The villagers came to offer their sympathy. "Such bad luck," they said. The farmer replied, "Maybe, maybe not." Not long after, the army came to the village to draft young men into the military. Because of his injury, the farmer's son was not taken. The villagers congratulated the farmer on his good luck. "How fortunate," they said. The farmer replied, "Maybe, maybe not." And so the farmer continued to live his life, accepting each event with equanimity and never rushing to judge them as good and bad. He understood that life's true nature is ever changing, and that what seems like misfortune might lead to unexpected fortune, and vice versa. As you drift off to sleep, let the story of the farmer remind you to embrace life's uncertainties with a calm heart, knowing that every event has its place in the grand tapestry of existence. And now, just continue to drift and dream and relax and immerse yourself in Taoist wisdom. This story was to teach you that when you flow in life, good things happen in your life. As I continue to share with you inspiring stories like the Taoist farmer stories, like once upon a time in a serene village surrounded by lush hills, just allow the rhythm of my voice to drift you sleepy now. And as I continue to tell you the story of the Taoist farmer, Surrounded by lush flowing rivers, they lived in a humble Taoist farmer in a beautiful village near the river. He lived a simple life, a content life, with his small farm and his single horse. The villagers admired his demeanor of wisdom and relaxation. One day the farmer's horse ran away. Remember how the story goes. That bad luck comes to good luck, to even biggest fortune. Now as you bathe in the sound of my voice, and you bathe in a complete silence, and maybe you've already drifted off to sleep, I continue to talk you down to sleep as you continue to relax. I'm going to read to you some important Taoist quotes. The Tao is the way. It's a ancient Chinese philosophy that helps you improve your life and feel better. As Lao Tzu says, nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Another cool and empowering quote from Lao Tzu is, when I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. When I let go of what I am, I become that I might be. And also, if you're going through a journey and you're thinking right now, you're overthinking and you're not drifting asleep, maybe this few next words will console you, because a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So right now, just rest, so you take your single step tomorrow morning. Also, remember that when you are slow to speak, you will remember a time and a day that you could relax completely, as silence is a source of strength. As Lao Tzu said, silence is a source of great strength. So right now, just embrace the silence and drift off into a kind of sleep. If you haven't slept already, just listen to these other quotes that are going to help you really understand and encapsulate this philosophy very easily by just listening to the sound of my voice. Your life will start to improve, as Chuang Tzu says, flow with whatever may happen and let your mind be free. Stay centered by accepting whatever you are doing. This is the ultimate. Flow with whatever may happen and let go, okay? And let your mind be free. Stay centered by accepting whatever you are doing. This is the ultimate, the secret of the universe. Happiness is the absence of striving for happiness. Happiness is the absence of striving for happiness. Chuang Tzu says that when you are seeking happiness, abstain from striving happiness for the happiness that you strive for. That is because you let go. I have found this as a very truthful quote in my life. Great things happen when you just let go and flow in the world and maybe just sleep now. Chuang Tzu said, the wise man is one who knows what he does not know. The wise man is one who knows what he does not know. Very beautiful. The wise man is one who knows what he does not know. Those who know do not speak. Those who speak do not know. Very nice and beautiful quote, this one. Those who know do not speak. Those who speak do not know. To the mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. To the mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. To the mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. So now just allow your mind to go still. Maybe visualize your dreams now. He who knows others is wise. He who knows himself is enlightened. And as you lie down and sleep, allow these quotes and beautiful, incredible, and fantastic quotes and stories I have shared with you now to drift you off into a kind of sleep. Just relax. If you haven't slept already, I want you to tense every nerve, every muscle in your body. Tense, 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 tense. And exhale out with a sigh and relax every nerve of your body. Now take another deep breath in. Tense, 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 tense. And relax completely now. And as I count from 10 to 1, you go deeper and deeper and deeper asleep. Now 10. Allow your mind and body to relax. Allow your eyes to become heavier. Sleep here now. Right as you begin to yawn. 9, 7. If you already slept, don't mind the sound. These sounds will drag you, drift you down, deeper asleep. 8, 7, 6. Relax completely. 5. Deeper relaxed, deeper at ease. 5, 4. Completely limp and loose. 3. Deeper relaxed, deeper relaxed. 2 and 1. All the sounds around you dragging you, drifting you down, deeper asleep. And now I'm going to give you some healing Taoist inspired affirmations to help you relax and find peace as you are asleep or as you prepare to sleep. I am in harmony with the natural flow of life. I am in harmony with the natural flow of life. I release all worries and embrace tranquility. I release all worries and embrace tranquility. I am connected to the wisdom of the universe. I find peace in the present moment. I let go of what I cannot control, and I accept what it is. I trust the natural unfolding of life. I am calm. I am centered. I am calm and centered in the present moment. I trust the natural unfolding of life. I embrace the simplicity and beauty of the present moment. I am one with the rhythm of the universe. As I breathe deeply, letting go of any tension, I welcome peace, and I will find myself more and more capable to rest, to drift, to dream, to relax completely. And as I relax and melt in the bed, just allow yourself to relax, continuing to relax deeply. Now, as you repeat maybe these affirmations to yourself, or you sink into a deeper state of relaxation, you are becoming more and more part of the greater flow, the greater purpose, the greater mission of the Tao. Now just drift off to sleep. And when you end this video and when you cease to listen to the sound of my voice, you will drop down, sink down into a big sleep, and you will wake up in the moment in time. In a moment in time where you will drop, drag, drift, dream, relax, and you will wake up at the normal waking hours you usually wake up, either by alarm or naturally. Rest, sleep like a log.